Look at those happy guys. Oh, you got the biggest smile on your face.
It's my boy. It's the Nathanator.
Okay, now do something cute with him.
Wanna flip? Ready to go on a flip? Boom. And then we go over to the flip. Ready? Here we're gonna do the real flip. This one we put on YouTube. Ready? Whoosh. That was a face plant, Nathan. Right on Daddy's chest.
Look at my happy guys. Oh, you dropped your pacifier. A little mime. He smiles all the time.
Are they kicking still?
No, no kicking feet.
You stopped. Okay, here we go. Body slam. Boom.
Hi. Our quiet little baby. He'd like to smile.
Oh. Oh.
Guess the smile will be for another day. Bye.
Delete.